Hello everyone, welcome to Addy Trade. We're going to be doing the trade analysis for 19th April, Monday. Let's start off with the 1 hour chart where we have a very important trend line that's been going on for some time. We did see that in the previous video as well. That is this trend line that I've drawn on early, where we didn't take it out last week, so I'm going to mark that and keep. Let me first draw all the support, resistance, and then see the trade probability for tomorrow. And the next one would be here, the flat trend line, which could act as resistance. We did act as resistance on Friday. We reversed from there, so this is an important line as well. And let me go down to one time frame lower, that is 15-minute, which will be very useful for intraday. So any price action above this, the next support could come, the next resistance could come at this level over here at 32,900, and there is a smaller resistance over here. In this particular region, I will make this a lighter one, and coming to the support, I draw my resistance in blue and support in green. So coming to the support, the first support would be around this area. So when we have a slightly like an area, let us go ahead and use this blue. Let me just format this. Okay, this green area that I marked, that could be our first support, and anything below that we have this area again. So we would probably get another support, and anything below that is this line and this line. So these are our possibility support and resistance on the top. So let's see the trade possibility for 19 tomorrow. So this trend line is going on for quite some time, so if this is conveniently taken out, probably we can see further upside. But because of the COVID news around, the sentiment is bearish. Any up move could be shorted, is what I feel. That's my intention for tomorrow. Let's see how it goes. But we do also have the HDFC Bank results that's come out, which is quite positive, so we could expect a small gap up. So any gap up above this area, let me put all the call buying in green. So any gap up, and the gap up sustains above this level 32,300 and above this red trend line, I will stick with buying call. And targets we will see as we go in the market. The first target could be this 32,600 and then 33,000, but these targets are too far off, so this would be somewhere here would be our first target. And we also have a resistance, some bit of resistance here, so let me just make this lighter. Okay, and this is one possibility. If we gap up and sustain the gap up for more than 15 to 20 30 minutes on 19th, we could continue moving up. And the second possibility is we are here, right? We could gap up until this red line here, probably touch even the blue trend line and come down. If we start falling down from here, if I get any price action from here showing like an inverted hammer or any kind of rejection from this area or this red trend line, I'll probably buy puts. So from here, when we are falling, the first support would be, say we are gapping up to this level 32,300 or somewhere in this region, or this red trend line. The first support would be here, what I marked. So if this breaks, the next support would come here and here. So these would be my targets if we are taking put on the downside. So this is my trade plan, but I'm sure something big is going to happen tomorrow. Either we could be shooting all the way up, because if we sustain here, there'll be a lot of short covering that will come into play and we could go further up, or we could gap up and based on the negative sentiment of the COVID news that is there all over India, we could fall. So this would be my trade plan. So either way, I'm ready with my targets, and let's see what happens tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, this trend line is correct. Even on an hourly, we have drawn all our trend line support and resistance. So let's see how it plays out tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like this channel and like this video. I'll be coming up with more content on day trading and all the trades that I take as well for the next week. So stay tuned. Thank you.